Hey, welcome back to the New York Carolinian. You know, I'll try to take a ride with me on Sound Transit. You know, I'm in Seattle, so I think I'm gonna take a southbound train. This will be my second time on it. Like I said, I like the layout of the platform and everything. It's like openness. There you go. You get a nice little view before we started off. I get a little more details as I go. So, like again, I took it in from the airport, but it was a nice ride. But I was out of battery at the time, so I hope y'all can hear me clearly. I got my mask on, COVID is rampant. So we keep an eye. Walk down here, guys. They say you got the gentleman keeping us safe, and I'm gonna jump on. I guess the staircase, find my way down. From what I hear, I'd like to give a shout out to the gentleman, the 4 foot. I learned his name, his channel, and everything. He was just out here not too long ago, so I'm gonna try to make sure I post this video tonight. Maybe he'll respond, and give me a shout out back. Maybe point me in the right direction as far as being an engineer. So I have my resume circulating in Amtrak for the moment. I'm just waiting for my chance. Again, I've come close, however, but COVID is really, hindering me right now. I know it's COVID and everything, so
level going up.
I got pretty close, but here you go. Back to the plan at hand. I want to say, I wonder why this was built pretty wide, and I'm pretty sure these trains can fit pretty well. Or maybe it was a road at one time. I don't know. I want to look into the history of this. And, yeah, it's illegal to cross. Yeah, I don't think I want to cross, but yeah, see where I'm at. I'm at University Street. I'm gonna make this a little short ride. Here's the right map. I'm gonna go up to Northgate, I believe it was northbound. Like I said, this is gonna be a major trip, not as far as Sound Transit goes, but as far as things I'm trying to document for this trip. I'll be hitting 5 major cities, and I'll be hopping on Amtrak tomorrow morning, train number 6. I believe they call it the Starlight, and look forward to that. So again, when the train arrives, I'll restart the video because I don't want to run out of battery or storage. So right back at you in a few.